Children, today I am going to discuss the computer science chapter 1 CBSE class 3. Um, then um, we have how does a computer work? How does it work? Computer is an electronic machine. It will work with IPO cycle, that is input process output cycle. Whatever we are inputting to the computer, it will process, then it will give the output. Just like we are making juice, we are preparing pineapple juice, then in that case we are putting some ingredients to the mixie. Okay, then what are the ingredients? Pineapple, sugar, water, then ice. This type of ingredients you can put. Then any other ingredients extra also you can put, as that is your wish. Okay, then that are the ingredients or input we are giving to the mixie. Then what we are doing, what it will do, it will process. This mixie will process the input. That type of input we are inputting into the computer. Then it will process, CPU will process the input. Okay, then we are getting the result. That is in the case of mixie, it will give the juice. We can filter that one after processing, or after mixing we can process that one. We can filter that one, then we will get juice. Then juice is the output of that process. Okay, like that we have in computer also. We are inputting some data or information to the computer, then it will process and we will get the output on monitor or printer. Okay, then like that we are inputting our name. In the case of children, your case, your name, roll number, then your class, division. These things are your these inputs. These are the data or meaningful information we are giving into the as the input. Then it will process it. It will process the computer and it will give the result. Then we will get, if you have to take the printout of your this roll number, name and all, then you can get the printout. Otherwise it will be on the monitor. Otherwise, if you are adding two numbers, if you are adding two numbers, then you are inputting two numbers, then it will process, that is addition. Then you are getting output on the monitor, you are getting the result. Okay, then that is the process going on inside the computer. That is the process inside the computer, and that process is done in CPU. Then that is in your textbook, it is writing, that is IPO cycle, input process output cycle. Then we have inputs are also called data. Inputs are also called data. Then what is data? As a computer student, you need to understand what is data. That is, data means meaningful information we are giving. Then that is called data. That is, if you are adding two numbers, 5 and 6. Okay, then 5 and 6 are the data. Okay, then it will process the computer. Okay, then input, and now you understand what is input. Then otherwise, another example I will tell. If you are going to one hospital, they will ask your any card is there, card, their hospital, any previous checkup has been going on, then any card is there, then they will ask. If we are telling no card, then they will ask some details about us. Okay, they will ask our name, then address, your phone number, they will ask. Okay, then these are the data or meaningful information. Otherwise, if you are going to school's office to pay your this fees, then they will ask what is the child's name, they will ask. Then you have to tell the name, then class, division, everything you have to tell. Then these are called inputs or data we are telling. Okay, then computer needs this data to help us in doing what we want to. Okay, then this computer needs data, this type of data it need. Then instruction already given to the computer are called programs. Then some instructions are given already into the program, it will be already stored. That is, if you are inputting Otherwise, if you are taking from Play Store any game you are downloading, for example, game, game and all, then if your children, I will tell in that case, okay, if you are downloading any game, then what you are doing, you are inputting some information, some programs you are storing in the computer. That is going on inside the computer. Okay, whenever you are downloading the some program, some this games or cartoons, okay, then some programs you are storing in your computer, that is going on inside that. Okay, then now you understand what is program. Program means set of instructions or some software you are inputting in your computer, that is called program. They are telling the instructions already given to the computer are called programs. Then computer uses these programs to process the work. Then in higher classes, if you are studying, you will learn more about these programs and data. Now you can understand like this. As a small child, you can understand like this. Okay. Then a computer is made up of two parts, hardware and software. I am telling hardware. Then whatever you are seeing, you can touch. Whatever you can touch in a computer system, that is called hardware. That monitor we can touch, keyboard we can touch. Okay. Then printer we can touch. These are called hardwares. But software is there that we cannot touch. Software we cannot touch. That is some programs inside the computer. That is called software. Operating system. Operating system is a software. Otherwise, your cartoon, your game, and all these are all your software. Actually, that we don't know this one. It is inside the computer. It will be inside the computer as programs. These games and all, you don't know. You are downloading some programs, these cartoons and all, or games and all. These are all called programs or software that we cannot touch. Okay. Then hardware we can touch and see. See this software also we can see, but it will be inside the computer. We cannot touch. Software is a set of instruction. The parts of computer that we can see or touch are called hardware. Like that only hardware. Then so many hardware parts. Mouse, keyboard, CPU, monitor, hard disk, motherboard, ROM. So many things Whenever we are opening the computer, did you see any shop and all, any your brothers and all, anyone opening the computer and servicing it any day so then that is called hardware. The parts of computer that we can touch or see is called hardware. Then software means set of programs that we cannot see inside the program it is. Otherwise, we are downloading something into our mobile. We are downloading some app. Then that is called software. Okay. Now you understand. I think as a small kid, you will understand these things. Okay. Thank you.